Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the construction going on at the Sangster International Airport. Now the runway is being extended, so this is the construction of the new, or the extension of the runway. It's called the runway extension project. So just to show you where we are, over there now is where the existing runway ends. And this runway, the existing runway is about 2,800 meters. It's the second longest runway in Jamaica. The Norman Manley International Airport actually has the longest active runway in Jamaica today. But as you can see, the Sangster International Airport runway is being extended 300 meters. So it's going to be over 3,000 meters when completed. And that will be the longest runway in Jamaica when completed. So as you can see, the project is coming along. There you can see some asphalt on the runway. So it should finish soon. It's scheduled to finish next year. And the Sangster International Airport recently opened a new departure terminal. Very nice terminal. You wouldn't believe you're in Jamaica when you see how nice that terminal is. So a lot of work is going on at this airport, and this is actually the busiest airport in Jamaica. Yeah, most people would think it was the one in Kingston, but this one is the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay is the busiest airport in Jamaica. Somebody even mentioned it was the busiest airport in the Caribbean, but I'm not sure about that one. So they are extending the runway. A lot of work is going on at the airport, but the terminal just opened and they're extending the runway so that the larger planes, the newer planes, can land here.